So I work for Razorfish. Razorfish are a digital agency. They principally deliver great consumer experiences by absolutely striving to uphold the promise that brands make to consumers. We want to be able to provide new and innovative work, and also to be able to encapsulate that with clever and smart thinking. One of the products that we found to really help us with those challenges for our clients and for consumers is App Engine, which is a platform as a service offered by Google. We've been using that product since its inception around 2008, when the product was still in beta, still in test, and it's really helped us change how we work and also what we do by addressing three main needs, which are speed, flexibility and scale. Going back several years, probably just before 2010, so some years ago now, four years or more, there was an imbalance in terms of our life cycle of how we go about our work. We spent way too much time focusing on the configuration or perhaps the setup and management of a solution that we're going to use, compared to actually delivering the work, doing the work that's required, creating the thing that we wanted in the first place. Probably by a factor of 10, let's say we spent 10 times as much time on configuring resources, servers, application software, installations and upgrades and so on, in comparison to actually doing the great work. So part of the reason we're able to address that is with products like App Engine, where we're able to shift the focus to some consistent approaches, developer-run operations as well as service-based operations. So there's a difference between App Engine as a platform as a service and then infrastructure as a service operations. Those are different. So we're able to empower key team members to make decisions, run with projects, act swiftly, and get to the results quickly. The ultimate judge of our work is going to be our clients' consumers. They're going to vote with their eyes, their fingers, their feet, and with their wallets. Ultimately, obviously, we're judged by the industry, our competitors, and our peers. I would say there's a strong motivation to be, self-critical and somewhat humble sometimes as well, in terms of understanding whether we've achieved the thing that we set out to do. How did it work? How could we have done it better? We have a built-in philosophy of, iteratively testing and learning. Certainly from a production point of view, we apply that to the outcome of our work as well. So flexibility is critical for us. It's no longer optional, it's required in everything we do now. Our clients need to work with partners who can help differentiate them and steal a march perhaps on competitors. And you've got to be able to do that with the solutions behind you that allow you to pivot and change direction very quickly. We found that working with App Engine in particular, but also with the rest of the cloud platform, we're able to very quickly, very rapidly, and in a very flexible way, create the kind of solutions that consumers are going to love, going to want. That's good for us, and it's good for our clients, and hopefully good for consumers too.